Welcome to Da Nang, welcome to another beautiful blue sky day today. We're just here in the center and we're taking a little stroll here from the VP Bank. It's very sunny. You should always seek this here, shade. Beautiful pavements here in the city center. There's also a clear path. I think you park either here or you park either here. And in the middle you can walk. There's also lots of banks here. Can get a lot of cash out here. That's what we did right now. But there's also TP Bank. I would not recommend TP Bank anymore because heavy fees, to be honest. I think last time I paid 1 million in fees. It was 30 million to cash out, and it was 1 million in fees or something. Yeah. Doesn't make that sense. But if you have a Charles Schwab, it's pretty good. You can get the money back, I guess. But yeah. There's also MediaMarkt here. I'm pretty sure this is the German brand. MediaMarkt. Right? I just don't understand how this is this. I don't understand the setup.
Well, maybe it's a joint venture because this is MediaMarkt and Geo.
But it's not a Geo Ding Dong, it's a it's a different name. I think MediaMarkt, that's maybe the translation of it. Okay. Huh. But yeah, if you need some new ACs. Oh, Hitachi. Oh God. I'm not a fan, but I have to go and buy these things for soon. I think it's going to be my first fridge I've ever bought in my life. I think I never bought a fridge. I think the fridge was always in every place I stayed. So it's going to be the first fridge I'm going to buy.
Oh, is it the Hoan Mi Hospital?
Oh yes, exactly. This is the Hoan Mi Hospital, guys. So if you want to have modern hospital, but not as pricey as the Winmec, I think the Hoan Mi is perfect. Yeah, it looks very nice in there. I've been to a few hospitals now. I've just been to Winmec as well, and yeah, I'm trying out a lot of hospitals for you guys. And of course, I put them all into my Google Maps guide because there you get everything you need here in Da Nang. But I feel like they did something new with the pavement here, or like the streets. Looks very modern and new. But we're actually gonna walk now to Tokyo Camera. So here's the Tokyo Camera. We bought all our stuff here. They never give us anything, but we give them a lot of clients. Huh?
They gave us a little SD card.
I think they give it to everyone. Let's check out what they have here. All right, guys, let's continue. We're gonna actually walk now to some snack places, Marcus. I hope there is something on the right side. Marcus is hungry.
This is the shop where I bought my big television.
Oh, this is the FPT?
Yes.
Oh, let's go in there.
Okay.
Perfect. Let's check it out. Because I'm looking for a MacBook Pro. I don't know if they have it. They should have it. Galaxy, Honor. Hello, do you have MacBook Pro? Alright guys, they have actually all MacBook Pros, but they are in the warehouse here in Da Nang. So this is a very interesting thing here. Whenever you go to the stores and don't have it, they will ship it to the place right away. Someone with a motorbike will come and bring it. So this is always a good thing here in Vietnam. Everything, if they cannot fix it, they will fix it somehow. Especially when it goes to the high-priced items. It's very good. Skin Design. What is that? A tattoo store?
Probably print on demand.
Oh. Yoko Kitchen. It sounds like Japanese.
Yes. I've never been to this area.
You've been here often actually.
Really?
If you go here to the left, there's your print on demand, your t-shirt maker. It's this street.
Oh, this is. Oh.
Yep.
Oh yeah.
Cha Sua milk tea place and coffee. Huh. There's a very stylish coffee shop somewhere here. What do they have here? They have so many repair shops here in the city center. They actually did something with the pavement here. It's way better than before. As you can see here, the flower pots were probably here and now they had to put it there. This is the stylish coffee shop here. Gay Cafe. Flower pots.
It's probably for parking.
So this is a good thing. This is like the electronic quarters. It's way bigger, but if you need something, it's very convenient to get cash out and you go to buy camera equipment or anything here at FPT or this place here. Or if you want to have some gaming equipment, accessories. Accessories,
Oh,
yeah.
Jesus Christ,
My
accessories.
God. Then you can also get it in the same street. Accessoires. So guys, this here you can get cash. You walk here, just how we did it. You can actually, there's another electronic store, like a camera store on the left, but it's like 800 meters to the left. It's VJ shop. But basically here, if you need anything with electronics or videos, video making equipment, here to the right. And then you can walk around here. It's very easy. So everything is in this one street. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Check out this video here and see you in the next one.